How to log into Comerica Bank Online. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can log into your Comerica Bank Online. First step you need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Comerica Bank. Once you search for it, you'll find the first link, comerica.com. Just head over to that link. It will guide you to the official website for the bank. All you have to do is find the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then another pop-up will appear on your screen to log in. First thing you have to do is provide your user ID to the bank. Once you have done that, if you want the browser to remember your user ID, you can just check this box and simply enter your password. Now, if your password is correct, you should be able to tap this login button right here to log into your account. If not, you should go ahead and tap on this forgot password page if you have forgotten it. So if you tap on it, you're going to have to provide a few details for identity verification. Provide your email address as well as your user ID. Tap on next. They'll send you a verification code on your email. Enter the code and you should be able to create a new password for your account. And after that, you can use that password to log in. That's basically it, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon to get notified about more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.